Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about physics. The topic that is about Coulomb. So now I want to show you how to answer. We apply the formula in here. We know that K that is about the constant of Coulomb, and we have 9 multiplied by 10 to the power of 9. And the next one, we have cube number 1, that is this one. Cube number 2, that is about negative number 10 micro C. So in this one, we can put like this. Micro, that is about 10 to the power of negative number 6 multiplied by negative number 10 with 10 to the power of negative number 6 over. So this one they use about 5 centimeters. We need to transform into meters. So we have 0.05 to the power of 2. And now we need to calculate this one. And we have 900 Newton. This is the end. Thank you for watching.